All right. Good morning, young YouTube people. That's right, you know what time it is. Another time to go out for a ride. That's right, a nice scenic ride on my bicycle again. Another scenic tour, as it were. And guess what? Today is kind of a historical day. I've got my very first comment from somebody that wasn't my family today. I know for most of you that's kind of funny, but it's momentous for me. And this nice person asked me for a race. Now, a race doesn't sound bad to me, but I do have nothing but a stock machine, so it doesn't really move that fast. But I'd still do it. It sounds like fun, but I don't like a race just down a block or around a block. No, no, no. If you're going to race me, we're going to choose about a 20 to 30 mile track. It's going to be a big loop like I do in my scenic tours. And we'll see who can do the loop the fastest. That's right. This is an open race, so you can take any route you wish to go. You just have to make it around the same area that I'm going. And we'll do a race. If you think you're faster than me, we'll find out. It'll be a lot of fun. But of course, I'm going to put it all on YouTube. So if you're going to race me, oh, it's going to be a lot of fun, and we're going to see it on YouTube when we're done. Okay. So yeah, anybody else that would like to join into something like that, feel free if you can get here. It ain't going to cost you a penny to join. It's only going to cost you your time and, of course, the wear and tear on your own bike. All right. Anyway, today we're going to go visit a few more places I like to look at. We're going to look at a nice little place I like to rest stop at, one of my rest areas. I find it very comfortable. Some of you might find it strange, but I find it very relaxing because it's quiet. And then after that, we'll mosey on to a old house I found. That's right, old abandoned house today, folks. It should be interesting. We'll go take a look at that too, just for fun, something different to do today. All right, YouTube people, are you ready? I'm surely am. Here we go. Oh yeah, we are gonna have lots of fun today. Let's make sure you're on sort of straight here. There we go. There she is, the Roadmaster. Oh yeah, for another glorious ride today. Oh, and it's beautiful today. It's going to be a balming 90 degrees. That's why we're going to do it here in the morning. Try to keep it as cool as possible for us. Not even I like riding when it's 100 and some odd degrees outside. All right. Here we go. Ha ha ha. As usual, we got to warm our bike up before we start really ripping into her. It's always a good idea, young people. And of course, I'm going to continue talking to you, even though I know that the wind's going to drown me out here and there. Eventually, if all of you good YouTube people can help me out, I might actually make a little bit of money doing this. And if I can, I'll buy a new camera that will be able to ride with, that won't have all the wind sounds going on. Oh, wouldn't that be nice, YouTube people? A nice camera with a good sound system. Oh, but yet I should be able to still talk to you with it. Oh yeah, well, we'll see if that actually happens. I'm going to need your help now. So let's get to it. We'll get this ride going. Oh yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun today. And oh yes, as usual, you know what to do if you like this stuff. Hit that old like button. You betcha. Hit her up. And oh yeah, don't forget to share it with your friends. Yes, share. It's a good idea, and it helps me out. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's go. All right, now we're rolling. Woo-hoo! And of course, it's gonna be beautiful. Oh, as usual. Scenic tours, baby. Woo! Our first stop of the morning, and this is the place I was talking about. Oh yeah, a nice quiet little place to rest. Looks like there's a couple other people out here today. That's a beautiful day to be out. Ah, she just closed up today. But there she is. See that nice picnic table over there? I like sitting right there under that tree a lot of times, just relaxing here. But she's closed up today, which is all right. No big deal. They're probably doing some cleaning or whatever. I suppose I could still go in through the walk-through gate. But since we're on a nice little scenic tour today, we're going to continue on. No rest for the weary, huh? Anyway, let's go. I told you some of you YouTube people might find that kind of strange. I like taking my ride breaks there, but it's always quiet. Yeah, and not many people come out here, so it's kind of secluded. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. Moving on to the next location. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Next stop, old abandoned house today. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. All right. Here we go. Woo-hoo!